we got a 2021 F350 dually, 6.7 power stroke. We're gonna take the computer out and the ECU to ship it out to get tuned, so we can fix the EGR, fix it, and so we can fix the DPF exhaust. First, you're gonna wanna disconnect your battery or batteries if you have to. And you do that by loosening these 10 mil nuts on that side and this side. And you just take both of them off, wrap it around in something so they don't make contact. I used some microfiber rags, then set them down right there. Next, we're gonna remove these 3 plugs right here, 1, 2, 3. This wiring harness down here, and I think there's another harness down here. Okay, so we're gonna remove these 3 plugs right here. This one right here, you press down. Like that. Wiggle it a little bit. There you go, make sure you don't make contact with anything else. Next one, this one. You're gonna push down and then pull it out. Like that. Pull it out. Push it off to the side. Make sure you don't make contact with anything. And then this one, you're gonna push in and pull out this way. There. Okay, so we're gonna push towards the driver's side. And then pull it back. Okay, you got these 3 out. Then I'm gonna push these off to the side, maybe try to push them down here. And we're gonna take these off. So in order to have more slack on the harness, to move the harness out of the way, we're gonna have to remove everything that's connected to this harness here, and then we'll move it out this way, so we have more room. Okay, so we're gonna push down right here. And push down, take that one out. We're gonna push in and take this one out. Okay, to make more room with this harness, we disconnected this one. This one here, you push down and move back. I think this one too, you push in, and then you take it out, this one. Now this whole thing, you push down, and it comes out. That whole thing right here. Set this down, like that. Push this down. Remove this one. We're gonna remove this one here, and it has a pin. You push it that way with like a little screwdriver, and then this should come out like that. So the pin is right here. It's a little like hook pin. Move that way. And then it comes off. And you see that pin right there? That pin. Now it should come off. gonna take this one out too. It's in the way. You see it? Okay. Push down, remove that. Now you have this side of the harness on this side right here. And then now you have these two connectors over here. And yeah, that gives you enough room to take that out and separate those two. Like that. So now you have all of this out of the way. Like that. So you have these out of the way. All these can be moved out of the way. Okay, now you want to remove these little trees up here. They're holding the harness. Just go sideways, side to side. Or break it. That works too. Okay, now, since we got this out of the way, you have this you press up, and this one you press out to the side. And then this should come out. Okay, you just wiggle this out. Make sure you move all the harness pieces out of the way. We're gonna have to take that tree out of this. For this plug, it's connected to this, and then it should come out. Okay, it came out. I had this plug on here and I just wiggled it off. Oh, a lot of dust in here. So now you have this 10 mil there and this 10 mil there. And that's gonna bring out the ECU bracket with the ECU. And then we'll remove the ECU from the bracket outside. All I'm using is a 3/8 ratchet with a deep socket 10 mil. For that one I already took out, and this one I loosened it. Then what I do is just go like that. It's a little easier. Boom, boom. Okay, so got the nuts out, just two 10 mil nuts. I think what's easiest is to push all of these plugs under the ECU. This one is too big, I couldn't get it, and then we're gonna try to remove it. Like that. Boom. Dust. Look at all that. Okay. Okay, now outside we're gonna remove these two bolts. Got 8mm. I used a wrench. I couldn't find my 8mm socket. And this one. And that one. And bam. Now you can ship it out. Get your tune for your emissions on or emissions off, whatever you're doing. And that's it. That's how you remove your ECU. This is for a 2020 to 2022. We're shipping this out to Canada to get a tune because my original DPF system went bad on this 2021. Still has the DPF in there, but it's bad, so we're gonna replace it with a Pro Power 5-inch DPF system with a 5-inch muffler. We got their fully polished stainless steel kit, but they don't make the mufflers in stainless, so I'm just gonna paint that black, tune, and we're gonna do some other stuff to it too. We're gonna fix the EGR because the original one is bad. I got a CCV kit going on. I got a SPE Motorsports fuel filter kit, where you eliminate the fuel filter up here. It goes down under the body. And then I have an oil filter conversion kit from them as well, from SPE Motorsports. So yeah, it's got a whole bunch of stuff to do. This truck is 100% original right now, minus the 24-inch Cali off-road wheels on 35-inch tires, stock height. It's got airbags in the back, and then it's got this Stealth Fighter rear bumper.